Lord, ako naman. This time ako naman, please. Ako naman sana yung sumaya. Ako naman sana yung piliin. Ako naman sana yung magtagumpay. Ako naman sana yung gumaling. Tanda mo pa ba yung mga panahong nakikiusap ka kay Lord at tanging iyak na lang yung panalangin mo tuwing gabi? Dear, when you feel like life is being unfair to you, God didn't. When you feel like the world is turning its back on you, God didn't. Darating ang panahong ikaw naman ang sasaya, ikaw naman ang pipiliin, ikaw naman ang magtatagumpay. And when God says wait, He's not being unfair to you, but He is still preparing your heart for the most awaited moment. Yung tipong kahit sino, hindi masasalat yung saya na hatid ng panalangin nilaban mo. Kaya mahal, hindi ka iniwan ni Lord, hindi ka pinahihirapan, pinapatatag ka lang.